guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you what we got here. We got this speaker, JBL PartyBox 7110. This is a powerful bass burst party speaker. This is with 800 watts output power. What we want to do is check this stuff out. This is a powerful stuff and powerful JBL Original Pro Sound, dynamic, colorful, customizable light show, IPX4 splashproof, paired with your speaker for even bigger sound, easy to grip handle and robust weight, jitter and mic input. So what we want to do is check this stuff out. I noticed a lot of people are buying this stuff from Corey's here in UK, so I thought to check it out and see what is inside. I'm excited. Look at that. Nice packaging. Nice packaging stuff. Want you to see and see what the packaging looks like. Nice. This is quite a big job to do, so to see how to bring this out. Now what I'm going to do is turn it upside down. It's a big stuff. There we go. So this is the best way to unbox it. Once you open it up, turn it upside down, and nice. Okay. So this is the wheel. You can see the wheel here. This is amazing stuff. Now, just gonna open this up. Wow, look at that. Yo. This is beautiful. And see what it looks like. Nice metal with JBL sticker as usual, logo, and it's nice. You can wear this. This is beautiful. You can actually move it, so easy to move around, so you can wheel it up. And the back here, so at the back here you have gain 1 and gain 2, USB stick, aux in, TWX, PartyBox 710. So the power cable goes in here. I believe the power cable is in this box here. Yeah. So this is the power cable. Okay, and information pack is in here. So to put the power cable, so basically you got 2 power cables depending on the your country. Okay, so I don't actually need this 2-pin one. We use 3-pin here in UK, so this is the one I'm going to use. So it's handy, they got 2 power cables, so depending on where you reside, so you just need to put the power cable, and the power cable goes in here. This is where it goes. Push it inside. Okay, once you push it in, now plug it onto the socket. Okay, this is beautiful. And just gonna bring the camera for you to see. Okay, so from now you can see bass boost here, Bluetooth, you switch this on and off. This is bass, so increase the bass and decrease the bass here. This is for you to treble, increase and decrease the treble, and this one is echo, so you switch this on and off from here. I think you control the light. You can see the light is on, and this is, you can see, beautiful. You can see now, I can see the Bluetooth, right? Bluetooth is highlighting, just flashing. Okay, so looking for available Bluetooth device. The beauty of this is you also got the different light. Okay, so I think this is, so this is for you to switch off the light, this button here. So you switch the light on again from here. So as you turn it to different, so as you are turning it, you change into different light. Okay, you can see it's white color now, so now it's orange color. Okay, so use this, now it's in purple and blue. This is beautiful. So guys, this is the unboxing and overview of this party speaker. Okay, so check out my next video.